All right, leave this with me here in about less than a half hour. I'll be back in touch with you, and then we'll go over the numbers.
I appreciate your time.
Not a problem, Chris. I'll talk to you soon. All right, bye. Wow. Filming?
We're filming.
All right. Woo! Lights behind the scene, guys. What's up? Brian here with the ATD. Kenny just snuck in with me on the camera. So yeah, got another lead here, Kenny, on a 2022 Ford Expedition Limited. And wants a quote on a full wrap and then a full frontal with rockers.
Pretty cool.
So we'll go price that up.
Those are our quoting sheets. We get all the vehicle info, go in the Expel room, quote it up, and then give the customers a call back.
And these are all over the last 4 days. Well, actually, yeah, 4 days because we got calls on the weekends. These are all confirmed Expel jobs.
Nice.
So yeah, it's coming.
We like that.
Oh yes.
Let's go out in the shop.
Yep, let's go check that out and we'll do a quick video, then we'll price this for everybody. All right, we're gonna go inside here and show you what's going on in here today, guys. We got Jose over here, just debadged the Denali diesel truck that we're fully wrapping. But so he's making his tin plates where they all go back, so he's doing that. Sorry for the mess, we just had a big order from Expel come in. We're still putting it all away, but that's what Jose's doing. We got Magic Hand Jay's over here on this 2022 Z71 Chev pickup truck. We did a partial frontal, so that includes the full front bumper, all this lower piece, this piece here, the headlights, all in here. We did a bikini hood, quarter fenders, and we wrapped the whole box. He wanted the box sides, and then he's gonna do it in sections. So Jay is just tightening this up and finishing it. And then we have this 2022 Duramax diesel Denali GMC truck, 1500. They're putting the diesels in them now, which is pretty neat, but absolutely stunning, gorgeous interior. So we're fully wrapping this, rim off, ceramic coat the rims. Yes, the barrels too, the only way it should be done. Had the windows tinted yesterday. The guys got that done with Expel XR. And then we got Cody on this side. He's pretty much, he's got the front fender on, the front door, and he's doing the back door there now. Then he's gonna move to the box side. As soon as Jose's done, he'll come over and jump in with this. Doing this one here. It's kind of crappy outside, but we do have a couple cars outside just in for details, but we're swamped with Expel. We have tonight being dropped off the new 2022 Miata RF. For a full wrap. Next Tuesday we have the new Ford Bronco Raptor. Very excited, we're doing a full wrap on that. We have another pickup truck coming, another Tesla Model X. We got several cars coming, another Raptor pickup truck, a couple Lexus. Yeah, we got a TRX coming that's going to be really bad. And we're waiting for the Jeeps to come over from Magnuson Performance out of LaPorte, Dodge, Chrysler, and Jeep. So we tagged up with them, we're doing a lot of their cars. But they got some custom Jeeps that they just built with the Demon motor in them, 189 horsepower. So we'll have 2 of those coming in that we're getting.
More than 189.
I'm sorry, 800 and, what is it?
Over 800.
189 horsepower, duh. But anyway, all this stuff in my head, guys. Thanks, Kenny. But anyway, super cool Jeeps. We're doing one in gloss, we're doing one in stealth. So I'm hoping within a week and a half, those will be here. And those will be filmed by us, by Kenny, and then they're also doing the Magnuson Performance YouTube channel. Follow them out, Google them, check them out, subscribe to their page as well. While you're at it, subscribe to us. We're up to 90 subscribers now. I know that doesn't sound like a lot, but we're on a mission to get that growing out there with educational videos showing all of our work here. We invite all you guys down there looking for window tint, Expel, ceramic coatings. Come down before you make a decision, no matter where you go. Come down. We've always got something going on here. We'd love to show it to you guys. You can check out our work and see why we are different than anybody else. And we have more to offer than anyone else as far as our Expel packages and window tinting. But anyway, yeah, so we just want to give you a short little glimpse on everything what's going on today. As the cars roll in starting tomorrow, Kenny will be on my butt to do more of these videos because we got really neat cars coming in, and we're going to keep you guys posted on all of that stuff. So for now, love and happiness, peace.